Okay, interest rates, amount. Okay, so what we're saying is that what is the difference? Why are we okay? Why is this AI giving us a this question and it says you must use the X lookup? I feel like we were not gonna be able to use. Okay, let me just remove this. I feel like we were not gonna be able to use the VLOOKUP for this question.
Okay.
Why am I saying that? Now I'm trying to show you the difference now between the VLOOKUP and the XLOOKUP. The VLOOKUP works very nicely when the columns are following each other, like this one and this one. And maybe, like, let's say you want an answer that is like here. But now XLOOKUP is very powerful because you can be able to connect this column and this column and this column. Like you can connect columns that are not close to each other. So that's the advantage of the XLOOKUP. Like this question, we have Peter. Peter is here, and then we have interest is here. You see, but
Mhm.
say for example, we want to answer this question with the VLOOKUP. Sorry, the VLOOKUP. It's not gonna be possible because Peter is here, then the table array is here. Okay, let me just just write it like this. Then now, as much as I can maybe pick up this one, but it's not gonna be okay. Let's see if I think maybe it's gonna work. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. Yeah, it's working. Yeah, it's also working. But now let's say we want to answer two questions. Say, for example, we want to see the interest rates for Peter and the interest and say maybe which default is paid. Then we cannot use, you see, we can only be able to put a one a column index.
Mhm.
Yeah. Okay. But if it is an X lookup, you can be able to, it's a bit flexible. Okay. So okay, let's just answer this one. So we know. Okay, you're gonna tell me which is which. What is gonna be the lookup value?
The lookup value is Peter.
Speed, okay. And the lookup array,
Is the table.
which one?
Is it not from B to
Oh, yeah, this
from?
one.
Yeah.
And then the returning array,
Baby girl. Returning array. The interest.
the interest rates, okay. Okay. Pizza interest rates. So what is happening now? I think there's something wrong. Okay, let's see. It's gonna be this one. This one, returning arrays, interest rates. Okay, let me see if I say false. Yeah. Okay, I think there's something that is wrong. Okay, let's say lookup value is Peter. Lookup array is this one. Returning array is this one. It should be showing already. I don't know why. Let's see. Mm. Mm. Let's look up pizza. Oh, there we go. So it's showing now.
Okay, what's the difference? What happened?
I don't know what was wrong. I'm not really sure. Okay, let's check again. We said pizza, then this table, and then let's erase this one. Yeah, yeah. I'm not really sure what was wrong. Okay. This one is a statistic. This one, it's not gonna.
Mm,
Uh, yeah. So correlation determine. Okay.
yeah, no.
Yeah. Okay. Use the VLOOKUP to find the long term for a specific ID. Okay, we want to see the long term for which ID? Let's say for ID number this one. You want to see which term is this ID. So what will be okay? They say we must use the VLOOKUP. What will be the lookup value
The lookup value, you said for which one?
for 003?
Okay, the 003 will be the lookup value.
Is 003 a
And then um, the table from A
mm,
up until what? Must we also say until J or what?
a to j a column index
The column index is going to be, we are looking for the term. So
the
H.
10. It's h. Yeah, okay. So h is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
H.
Okay. So which means this one is 36. Yeah, 36. Okay. So now you can see. Okay, let me check if I can get some of the data X lookups. Yeah, yeah. Okay. So yeah. Okay. So we have this one now. We want to we want to match our emails now. We want to match our emails. Uh, like for Toby and so forth. Okay, there is our emails here. So we have to use our X lookup. So I will say, okay, so what will be our lookup value?
Is it not Toby?
Okay, and then
The lookup
lookup.
array. It's it's this A.
Okay, and then The returning
That
array,
is the email.
the email.
So
Okay, okay. Oh, alright. Let's see. Okay, so there is a bit of a difference now here.
mm,
So the lookup value, yes, is correct, is this one. Now the lookup array now, since since in this table we also have full name. Now our full name now, because if you notice here, if you notice these names are they just pick up like a few names, but this one has all the names.
mm-hmm,
So yes, the lookup value at the moment we want to see Toby, but
mm-hmm.
the lookup value, the table that we want to look up at will be the full.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
it will be this one. So you see already showing now.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because now the columns were not matching up with the
Yeah,
number
with
of
the
columns.
redundant. Mm.
Yeah. So we can say, okay. Then you must be careful and always try to see if it is really the one. Okay, it's the one. Then I can just drag here. You see, it's showing also the other ones.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. So, okay, then let's see this one now. Okay, we have. Yeah, when I'm done, I'm gonna send you this one and you're gonna do it as well.
Yeah.
Okay, then we have a lookup value. Lookup value, what will be the lookup value now? Now we want to answer both of them now. What do you think will be the lookup value?
Both of, is it not gonna be Toby?
Okay, it's Toby.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah,
The lookup array it's going to be um is going to be full name.
which is which?
I
Okay. You're
num-
very sharp. Yo.
and then the return is going to be it must the end date that we're looking for.
And then the email, we want both of them now.
Okay, then the end,
Hmm. And in this one. So I will just pick both of them
both
now.
of them together.
Yeah. You see, he's showing them.
Ah, okay.
Okay. Then I drag. I like this part.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So yeah, it's corresponding palm, and so forth. Okay. Now we have this option now, which is called exact match now. So we said when we want an exact match, which option we're gonna use now?
The faults.
The false, yeah.
Mm.
Okay, so okay, we will now we're gonna which one will be lookup value?
Lookup value is going to be Toby.
Toby, yeah,
The lookup array is going to be full name age,
age, okay,
and then the return array is going to be email,
email, okay,
and then match is going to
match,
be false.
false, okay.
Then you just put it like that, or do you put it in inverted commas?
You just put it anyhow.
Okay.
You see now when I just click somewhere. Okay, let's say, but only I think on this one, let's say notes found. That's the advantage about using this box is that you don't need, you see, if I have to do it here, I have to put inverted commas. Then it's like a code, this one. But
Ah.
But here, let's say I click this one. See, automatically it has put the inverted commas for me. You see? Do you?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
I see it.
okay. So say false. Okay. So false seems like okay. False is not showing. Okay. What did we do wrong now? Hey, this one is okay. Then this one is full name. And then we have H10. It was H10. Yeah. Okay. False. It says 0. Okay. Okay, let's say true. Oh, okay. Let's see email.
Mm-hmm.
Email. Okay, let's check. Okay. Which means true is working. Let's check the others. Oh, you see, it is not. No, it's not correct. Yeah. Okay. Let's try again. Let's see what am I doing wrong. You said it's gonna be this one and this one. And then we have this one. And we have false. It says okay, false. So let's see. No. Okay. Okay, sometimes let me check this one if this will work. If it will work, then I will explain or what is it for. Mm, F4, F4, F4 is not working. So, okay, search order. Okay, which means in this case you will be using the approximates because but it's supposed to be exact match. I don't know what am I doing wrong. Oh, sorry. It's this one. It's this one. All right. Which means maybe in this case we need to use true because the false it's not giving us the right one. Which means we have to use the approximate one.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. But this one, let's check on
I
this
think that
one.
one, what it's doing is
Mm.
it's okay. No, wait. Quickly drag from Toby. That email.
So, oh, which one? This
That
one?
email. Yeah.
Can you show this one?
No, no. Okay. Equals. Make okay. Then you drag downwards for the other columns.
Oh, like
I
this
still
one.
want to check something. Yeah.
Oh. Mm.
This one is now giving the one of. It's only B Beasley or whatever the name is that's incorrect. The other two,
Oh,
yeah.
you know what's the problem?
Because here it's Beasley and it's I can't see it.
Yeah, you see, the problem is let's check the names like one by one. Toby, Flender, Toby Flendersa. You see? So it's the names are not written exactly as
Uh,
they supposed to be. Yeah. So when we are using the false method, the exact method, it is not showing because the names are not corresponding.
mm,
Yeah. So therefore we can use the the approximate method at least. Yeah.
okay.
Yeah. Okay. So let's check. Okay, no, I'm not gonna do this one. Search odd. I'm not gonna do this one. Okay, let's use a. Let me try to see if I remember because I don't normally use X lookup has been replaced, like the H lookup has been replaced by the X lookup. So let's try and see. Mm, let's try and use the H lookup. H lookup. So normally if the tables are like this, it's very good for H lookup because you see
Or
H, yeah, is horizontal. Yeah, yeah. Okay, so the lookup value is paper. The table array is this one. It work almost exactly as the VLOOKUP, but now that when the problem is we're not looking for the
it's not the row.
yeah, it's the rows now. So we want to check the rows. So we're gonna say from this table array it will be 1, 2. So we want number 2.
Mm,
Okay, so number 2, let's say false. You know, column number 2 over here. Okay, it will be okay. Okay, let me start afresh and see. Okay, let me check something. No, okay. It should pick up. Okay, the lookup value is this one. The table array is this one. Okay, then we have 2. Why is it saying showing this? It's showing August.
what then?
Why?
What looking for?
We want just to show like this row, like the whole row, but it's only showing us a one row, like only August. Okay. Okay, let me say the table array. Let's say we want to see this one. Oh, yeah, yeah. Now I see. So basically, the way we're using the H lookup is that you have to be specific for which column you want to show. Like for
Mm,
example, I want to show July and August. So let's see if we can try this one. July and August, and then we'll say mm, July and August. Then we say two. Oh, okay. So what I can say is that July plus, I'm not sure if it's gonna work. No. Okay, let me do like this. So I'll put the brackets and say July. Oh, I'll say some. Don't know if I'm complicating it now. Some uh, July. Mm, okay, let me see. That's this one. No, it's not working. Okay, no, let's just use it in a simple way. Say we want to see this one. We want to see um, paper for July. We want to see July. Yeah, July. So we're just gonna pick up this one. So July, a paper in July was 510. Okay, let's check for April for print. So we can say this one, April. Oh, printer. Then it's 1, 2, 3. Okay, he said it's April. Yeah, it's number 5. So do you see this one?
Yeah. So
Okay.
this one you cannot combine. You cannot combine two columns or more than two columns.
Yeah, I do cannot. I think that's the limitation. That's the disadvantage of a
H.
VLOOKUP and the HLOOKUP. Yeah, yeah.
Mm, okay.
Okay, so yeah, the VLOOKUP, I know this one. I think you can do this one. Yeah. So yeah, let me see if you really understand this one. Let me send you this file, and you can do it for me. But do you understand like these things?
Yeah, I do.
You know, and
I think
see,
more thing of having to practice and not just
uh,
be fine first time and then thinking that I know it without practice.
mm, yeah, yeah. But you have a very quick mind, you. Very quick mind. Think it's the first time to have a student like you.
Really?
Yeah,
Mm.
serious, you see you.
Okay, now after this, what's next?
After this, I think we can do the logical functions. Then I will be done. It will be up to you when you want to get more in depth now with other skills,
Mm.
for analyzing data. Maybe if you want me to show you just a little bit of a demo before you can decide, I can maybe set up a class that we can do a demo, just get like some real data that are maybe for finance, or let's say maybe you get a bank statement, then we can just do analyze together, like we do data cleaning, and then I do the reports and some automations, and then you can see if you want to continue or
Okay.
for Excel, but for Python, I don't know if you want to enroll in Python as well, because I also do Python. But Python, you guys in finance, it's really taking a big company, like a company that can allow you to use Python
Mm.
for analyzing data. Yeah, because I've most of the financial student, I find it's not useful to learn Python. But you guys are the best tool that you need to learn is Excel advanced from intermediate to pro level, and also in Power BI, for Power BI to build reports. Let me show you one of the dashboard for Power. Have you ever seen Power BI before?
Mm-mm.
Okay, let me show you Power BI. Power BI. Okay, let me use this. Let me see. Okay, this one was a absenteeism. So this is the report for absenteeism rates. Let's see. Yeah, absenteeism rates. Okay, so this is Power BI. So we want to see some of how many days by employee name and leave type. So this was an HR data. The it was gonna go for auditing. They want to see they want to see how the attendance of people in the tier. It was like a final year report, so the auditor is gonna come. So now they need to see how many times or like the absenteeism and everything like in the tier. So for example, Mafika Sibego, uh, she took a sick leave. The sick leave was 9. There were 9 sick leave like for the whole year, and then the annual one was 11. Then we have unpaid leave is 46. So we know, okay, this one. Even here, you can be able to see the overall attendance or like the overall absenteeism per month of all these workers. So you can see on February, mm, the absenteeism was 6. On April, I mean, February is 18, January, and so forth.
Mm.
So, yeah. So, how many times was the unpaid leave taken? So that's what they wanted to see. Then it says 46. Then the sick leave was 11. So with this data now we can be able to drive some decisions about the performance of a person. Say for example, if we can check for Mafiga was she took 46 unpaid leave. And then we must recall, it's okay. What was the reason for her to take this unpaid leave? And maybe just around those time, like when she was absent, maybe after that, maybe let's say she just left the job. Then we are when then we re- when then we can decide and say, oh, which means this person maybe he was going for an interview or maybe he was just maybe like that was the way for her to leave the job. Sometimes other people they just stay at home. So yeah, like you can just do anything with this data, but the main purpose was for the auditor to see the absenteeism rate.
Mm.
Yeah. Yeah, so this is Power BI. Let me see if I have another data. Mm, yeah, survey. And also for survey, yeah. See, not this one. Now we have a data professional survey. We want to see which career in IT is the highest paid. So we know, okay, the data scientist is the highest paid, and they are ranging at about 140,000. You see, then we know, okay, who is the second most paid is data engineer and so forth.
Okay.
Yeah, which programming language is the most used? Then we know Python. In the count of people who are who are the count of voters, people who voted for Python, they are 400. So yeah, this is how Power BI is. It's the Power BI can handle about 3,000 to 50 to over, like I think close to a million uh, data that you can visualize in Power BI.
Oh,
Yeah, but Python has some limitations. Python, I mean Excel has some limitations. You can just
yeah.
visual, yeah, for small data. Yeah, so that's the advantage for this one. So it has many capabilities, but when you want to, especially you guys in finance, it is very good for you to know Power BI.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So let me show you. Okay. We were saying what we gonna do. Okay. The next thing that we will do will be the logical functions. Maybe it won't take us that long. Logical
Okay.
functions. Yeah. So you can just. I think I've. Oh, let me send you that one. Yeah. You can just go on your email and then you can share the screen. That's fine.
Or must I do it now? Because I thought nice in the next session we can have tomorrow.
All right, no, it will be
Just for me
okay.
to process all that I've learned now and just recap and refresh my memory again and redo some of the activities that we've done and see if I
Mm-hmm.
can do them on my own for now.
All right, no, it will be okay. It's fine.
Okay.
Okay, sure. So I'll hear from you. I think me, I'll be available after 6 tomorrow.
Okay. Okay, no problem.
All right, okay. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
All right, sure. No problem.